Water! W kontaktu, to opinią. Nie ma konkreta. To ludzie na gotowi. Chodź, chwilę dokładnie. Tracker! Wyjął na water! W kontaktu, to opinią. Nie ma konkreta. To ludzie na gotowi. Chodź, chwilę dokładnie. Tracker! Desem, rana czysta! Wytrać twarzu! Pomysł na preżywę! Trebalo tesno šir. Hoće da predamo na plažu. Samo napred.
It was an ambush. Both choppers down. Hostiles are organized and heavily armed.
This is MI6. We're taking control of this mission effective immediately. Are you injured?
I'll live.
Good, because we need your help. What's your name, soldier?
Bond.
Oh, you're not SAS.
They're crewmen.
In training. We'll have to make do. I need you to be our eyes and ears on site. Do you see a camp?
No, but there's some light coming from the other side of the mountain.
That's it. Get there.
Orders to stay here. The search is done.
Gotta be a way over there.
What was that? I'll check it out.
Are you sure you're up for this? Adrenaline can mask even significant damage.
Better keep those levels up then.
What is it?
Just taking in the view.
Tell me what you see.
It looks like the hostiles are heading back to the camp.
Tell me about them.
They're an international group, speaking English but with accents, capable and well organized. Ex-military. Firearms are unfamiliar, I guess. Special issue.
That's good. But keep your eyes peeled.
Tell me, why is MI6 getting involved here?
The retrieval camp has been compromised. How and by whom is what I need your help figuring out.
Yeah, but why MI6?
That's classified.
Okay. Well, who's running the retrieval mission then?
Also classified.
How can I help if I don't know what's going on?
By doing exactly what I tell you.
Yes, Mom.
Have you located the camp?
Not yet. I hope I'll see it when I clear the top. Retrieval mission. Of what exactly? Alien technology?
Not quite.
What then?
How long were you in the water for?
You're dodging the question.
Then you're hypothermic. Get to the camp and find some warm clothes. I need you operational.
You and me both. Fingers are the first to go.
What?
In the cold. First they hurt, then nothing.
Right.
I see some perimeter markers.
Good. You're close to the camp.
Fingers and toes. The water certainly doesn't help.
You're in water again.
Better than getting spotted.
They rig the entire camp and perimeter.
Enough to level this place.
Yeah. Huh. This one's armed.
They are all armed.
Thank you, MI6.
Saves us the trouble.
MI6 explosives. You're the ones running the retrieval mission.
Not officially.
Then you set up a grid of high explosives covering the whole area.
It's a post-mission cleanup measure. Thermochemical sterilization. I didn't want you to get worried.
Chemical sterilization. What's to worry about?
Thermo. And it's quite safe. What's not, however, is you still out in the cold.
Yes, I know. There's a window here I could get through. That'll do.
Good news?
Parker.
Стиго си. Где си био до sada?
Отпусти се! Стижам за секунд.
You speak Serbian?
Montenegrin. Picked up a few phrases while mountain climbing there.
A man of hidden talents. Now, let's figure out who these hostiles are.
Already on it. I found a receipt in the jacket. Berlin Cafe, November 17th. Paid in cash.
Interesting. Keep it coming.
Someone's lying here. He's been shot.
Vitals?
A briefcase. It's full of ashes.
One of ours. Self-ignites if open wrong.
I found one of their guns.
What kind?
It's a TXK Biome. Serial's gone.
Discontinued. Also, it's biometrically locked.
Brilliant. He's dead. Foster. One of yours?
Senior engineer. Keep going.
Heading into the camp now.
Don't draw attention to yourself.
Comm device. Military-grade layered encryption.
Hard to come by.
If I need something,
Torn grid map here.
That's just a site explosives protocol from the MI6 handbook.
by any.
Patch. Red and white checkers.
In this context, could reference Croatia.
Rocket launcher. Serial 394KLB211.
The launcher is part of a US shipment stolen in Algiers 9 years ago.
That was fast.
Keep digging. We're not done.
What you doing? I barely brushed that thing, and it started moving. Hey, you! Back this up for me. The boat's right there. Damn thing. Where's Jolan when you need him?
Wasn't up for it this time. Those 9 mil lost on the German job. And that cleanup?
That was messy.
Hey! You've got to see this! Come on, let's check it out.
You've got this, right? Good man.
And some of them just mentioned a messy German job. 9 million lost.
Hang on. I know exactly who we're up against. A Balkan gang of thieves known as Arrowhead. Notorious for never leaving any witnesses. Listen, I'm going to ask you to enter the big central tent. But what you learn in there can never be mentioned to anyone. Understood?
Heading there now.
I'm serious, Bond. You haven't signed the Official Secrets Act. I need to hear you say that you accept and acknowledge its ramifications.
I accept and acknowledge. Entering now. Any bombs I should know of?
None you should know of. No,
So, lay it on me.
I can't. You're still on a need-to-know basis.
Figures.
Mission Protocol Grey Envelope forbids any override mention at this encryption level. Will not discuss any specifics. Now, do you see the object?
I'm afraid that's classified.
Touche.
What's that noise?
What?
Distortion. Oscillating. Door. Now it's gone. I'm looking at the thing now. Or what's left of it.
I need you to look for the OBC unit inside.
OBC. And that is?
Right. Onboard computer. The size of a shoebox. Probably suspended in some shock-absorbent webbing.
It's gone.
Have a look around the tent for it.
On it. Whoa.
What is it?
That don't feel well.
Just keep looking.
Are you sure it's completely sealed? It's sealed. Come on.
Someone's coming. They're wearing hazmat suits. Should I worry?
Give me a sec.
We got what we came for. Let's get the hell here. We get on the Zap and in 3 weeks, strike gold in Brazil. Works for me. The others are preparing the final cleanup now. Ever been to Brazil? First time. What's it like? Beaches and...
Bob, did you mention sound distortion before?
Yeah.
I need you to do exactly as I say. Do you see the red door? Head for it. Right now.
What?
You need an antidote. You've been exposed to a nerve agent.
What's this?
Decontamination.
What exactly am I looking for?
A green box with a bright orange stripe. Probably tucked away somewhere.
Which one?
What?
There's two of them.
The orange one. Do not use the other one.
Here goes nothing.
okay?
That might be pushing it. What next?
Have a little rest and then get to somewhere safe. You've done great. We'll have an extraction team pick you up in about an hour.
They still have that thing you're after and they're about to leave.
Yes, and we'll let them. Thanks to you, we've been able to deduce exactly who the buyer is, where they'll be meeting, and at what time. We'll intercept in a controlled environment with no risk to the asset. You just get out of the camp, sit tight.
One of your crew's still alive. Hostiles have him. I don't fancy his chances. I'll follow, see what I can do.
You're in no state. They'll spot you and kill you. Remember who you're up against.
Wrap it up.
Now you start to worry about me.
I'm taking this one to the others. G9 or B4?
Doesn't matter. They're all inside the blast room.
What's the point then? They're all going to die anyway.
They just shot him.
No witnesses.
I think some of the others are still alive, but the hostiles plan to blow up the place.
You need to get out of the blast zone.
Oh, I need to save those people.
That is not your call. Stand down. That's an order. Listen carefully. You have less than 1% chance of success. Now stand down.
I'll take those odds.
Bond.
Okay, James. 2 containers. B4 or G9. Which one's first? Another one. Okay, no time to hesitate. Those people need my help. I'll just be up here, wondering what the hell I got myself into.
Yes, it's Vader. My point is that we're wrapping up as we planned. Let the crew enjoy themselves.
Exactly. I don't know what his problem is.
And what was the point?
His time was
Nothing.
Thank God. You're finally here.
Listen, we need to get you out of here. The hostiles plan to blow up the camp.
They can't. That idiot was in charge of the detonator.
Still, these guys are bad news. We need to go.
We'll never get away. We're unarmed and outnumbered. Shut it, Cleves. Obviously, this guy's not on his own.
Well, actually.
Here, the detonator. You better take it.
We just need a distraction.
What about the others? They're in container G9 on the opposite side of the camp.
The others? Right. You stay put and wait for my signal, then run east.
What signal?
You'll know when you see it.
Good luck.
Look at this. Let's see.
Container G9. That's where I'll find the captives.
I'm the one, babe.
Bet you didn't see that coming. There you are.
Oh, thank God.
Listen, we need to get you out of here. I already freed the others. They're waiting for my signal.
Can't the other guys deal with the hostiles and we just sit tight and wait?
I'm all you've got.
And your signal. What is it?
Any ideas?
Christ, you don't know.
It's got to be something big. How about toppling the central mast? It's barely standing in this storm. Snap one of the wires, and I bet that'll be enough.
Good. That's our plan. When it goes down, you run east.
Godspeed.
I wish we had some of this gear in Cape Town.
Do we must? Good girl. This should keep them busy. Gotta get that wire going.
Got some lucky.
Habitation unit status. All clear.
Release the wire. Topple the mast. Easy. That wire won't break free on its own. All right. Time to bring the house down.
Come on!
That should start things up a bit. There's your signal.
Hey, come on! Come on! What are you doing? Come on! Run!
Everybody okay? Follow me this way. There's a way out. Come on! Stop! I've got the detonator! Hold your fire!
What is this now? You wanna blow us up?
Yeah, thinking about it.
And destroy the asset? MI6 would never.
I'm not MI6.
Run into the sunlight. Will you play?
Do you have an appointment?
The name's Bond.
James Bond. He's with me.
You sound familiar.
Today's not about me. It's about you and the incident last month. Come on.
Your visitor's pass, Mr. Bond.
Thanks.
Gotta say, you're healing fast.
Then it was you.
Anyhow, we're going upstairs. All the way to the big brass. It's quite the stir you made.
Go big or go home?
Yeah, or go big and disappear.
So I'm in trouble.
Did I say that? I wouldn't have. That's confidential.
Is this about me hanging up on you in Iceland?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
All right, if that's how you want it. Pleased to meet you, I'm James. And you are?
Infuriatingly secretive.
Moneypenny, can I grab you for a second?
I'll be right down.
So, your name is Moneypenny. Does that come with a first name too?
Now let's not get carried away, James.
Or at least tell me who I'm meeting.
You're here to see M.
M. Right. You're really enjoying this, aren't you?
And you're not?
Not particularly, no.
Miss Ponsonby, James Bond here to see M.
Thank you, Moneypenny. Take a seat. M will be ready shortly.
No, I didn't get any meeting details for today. This M character, is he in prosecution somehow?
She, and no.
Moneypenny mentioned M being high rank.
Yes, as high as you get in this house.
Right. I wonder if you know why I've been called here.
Everything you need to know will be explained to you shortly.
I must say, you're all taking this code of secrecy very seriously.
You do know what SIS stands for, don't you? I do enjoy a quiet office. Perhaps we can limit the small talk? I'm sure M will be with you shortly.
Yes, of course.
Send him in.
Right away. M will see you now.
Take a seat.
So, Iceland. Air crewman in training, accidentally stumbling upon an MI6 operation of the utmost importance. Initially willing to assist, but then you hang up on us. Go against direct orders, and ultimately blow up the invaluable asset we were there to retrieve.
I wasn't aware I was under MI6 command, and I just chose not to take your advice. Mom.
Right, yes. Headstrong, kicked out of several conflicts, thrill-seeking, several disciplinary... here. Issues with authority.
I believe it's more a case of authority having issues with me. Look, I know where this is going. You can spare me the velvet gloves. Do you mind telling me why I'm here?
I would like you to join His Majesty's Secret Service. I want to make you a spy.
You what?
I want you to join my training program. Though, I have to warn you, it's unlikely you'll pass the tests. Should you make it, I have to inform you that agents have a very short life expectancy. Normal social life is near impossible. And if you do get caught, we will deny ever having heard of you. How does that sound?
What's the downside?
Money's terrible.
When do I start?
Now, Moneypenny's waiting for you outside. She'll run through the details. Yeah, put him through. You're dismissed. Yeah.
Ponsonby? Turns out this M character is now my boss.
You might want to keep that secret, young man.
You're joining?
I am.
Makes the walk down a lot less awkward.
You're in the program too.
Just got assigned. I'll be the girl in the chair. Quite excited about it. I've been reading up on the Double O's, and I think the program deserves a reboot.
Oh, so it's a new thing then?
Well, the other recruits have been at it for 6 months. So you have some catching up to do. Better get you up to speed. As I said, basic training and initial elimination rounds are already concluded. Only 6 recruits qualified for advanced training, and so far, all of them have excelled. Final exams are in 6 months, and you'll have to ace all of them to qualify for field duty. That's assuming that Greenway lets you stay on for that long.
Greenway?
Training instructor. Missions above people and orders above principle sort of guy. Judging from your profile, I'm sure you'll get along splendidly. Anyway, I'm sending you to the MI6 training facility in Malta, where you'll be joining the other recruits. Your flight's waiting for you, so you better get a move on. Break a leg, James.